Hello, my name is Amaya, and today I will be interviewing my mom. This is an assignment for my nutrition class, and today we will be talking about the new nutrition label. In this new nutrition label, we'll pretty much just go over all of the nutritional value needed. So we will be going over that. The two products we will be looking at today is the Honey Almond Granola and the Special K Crisp. I will be explaining the Special K, and I will be quizzing my mom on the Honey Almond Granola. So, I will be going over the Pastry Crisp first. So, I will be telling you about the new nutritional label first, and then I'll kind of also simultaneously tell you about the Special K. So, pretty much, the first thing to notice about the new nutrition label is the serving size. The serving size is bigger and it's bolded, and it also contains the servings per container. So as you can see in the Special K Pastry Crisp, there are 6 servings per container, and there is a serving size is 1 pouch. So the serving size is just the amount of sample for 1 helping. It is important to utilize this when comparing different products and nutritional values such as calories, etc. So also with this new nutrition label for Special K, calories is also bolded as well with serving size. And calories is just the amount of energy you get per serving. And you can check your caloric intake, the amount you need, on myplate.com, and it really just depends on the weight that you are. So the daily percent value is the percent of nutrients that product gives you divided by the amount that you should get per day. So a daily percent value that is low would be 5% or lower, and a daily percent value that is high would be 20% or lower. So we're gonna go through the Special K really quick, and we'll be going over all of those nutrients to see if they're high or low. So the total fat, saturated fat, and trans fat. The total fat daily percent value is 3% and 5%, which is low. Cholesterol, sodium, total carbohydrates, and added sugars as well is low. So that means that this product is not very high in any of those nutrients. And we'll be talking more about those nutrients in a little bit. But, so yeah. The new nutrition label also includes a little footnote, and this footnote just tells you how much nutrients, it literally just tells you how much nutrient in a serving of food contributes to daily diet. 2,000 calories a day is used for general nutrition advice, but to really find out your intake, like I said, you can go to myplate.com, or it really just depends on your weight, if you want to gain weight, lose weight, or maintain your weight. So you can look at that website if you want extra help with that. Something else that is new for this nutrition label, the new nutrition label, is the added sugars. And added sugars is different from just regular sugars that are included in the product. For example, added sugars occur during the making of the food and the packaging as well. So let's just say if you have an apple, you know, no sugar is really being added to that, but in this Special K bar, they're going to be adding some sugars, maybe for taste and packaging, and so that would be included in added sugars. So yeah, that's the difference between added sugar and total sugar. Another thing to notice that's new for the new nutrition label is vitamin D and potassium are also included. And vitamin D and potassium are common deficiencies, and so that's why they're included. You want to always try to get less in saturated fat, added sugars, trans fat, and sodium. Another thing to notice for the new nutrition label is that the ingredients list is labeled from high to low. So the most common ingredient per serving would be the enriched flour. So now that we've gone through that, I just want to go through every little macronutrients. So for total fat, we have 2 grams of that per 1 serving, 1 pouch. We have saturated fat and trans fat as well. You want to try and stay away from trans fat as it's not that great. We also have cholesterol and sodium and total carbohydrates. Dietary fiber as well. As you can see, dietary fiber has a 0% daily percent value, so that means that it will be low when it comes to daily percent value. Total sugars is 7 grams. That doesn't have a daily percent value, but the added sugars does, and it's almost high but not really. It's at 14, so that's considered low. And protein's bolded as well. And so now that I've gone through everything, I would like to ask you a few questions about the honey almond granola. Okay, and so for the honey almond granola, is the daily percent value for cholesterol considered high or low?
It's at 0%, so it will be considered low.
Alrighty, and then would added sugars daily percent value for this be considered high or low? Per 1 serving.
Added sugar will be considered high.
Alright.
Because it's 30%.
Okay, good. And what is the most common ingredient per 1 serving of this product?
Whole rolled oats is the most common ingredient.
Okay, so that's good. And then, let's see. Does honey count as an added sugar?
Yes.
Okay, good. And, alright, well, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. I learned a lot about labels. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.